If you're looking for the best free remote desktop software to use for work, school, or helping someone troubleshoot their computer, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the top free remote desktop tools you can download and start using right away. Fast, secure, and perfect for remote work or personal use. Let's start with AnyDesk. This is one of the most popular free remote desktop tools because it's lightweight, fast, and works smoothly even with slower internet connections. The interface is simple, and it supports Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. If you just need reliable remote access for personal use or occasional support, AnyDesk is definitely a solid option. Next is Chrome Remote Desktop, a favorite for quick and simple access. You don't need to install a big program, all you need is the Chrome browser. It works on pretty much any device, and setup only takes a few minutes. It's great if you want something easy with no complicated settings. Just log into your Google account, set up access, and you can control your computer from anywhere. Another strong choice is AnyViewer. This software is free, fast, and beginner-friendly, and it supports unattended access, which means you can connect to your computer even when no one is on the other side. It works on Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS, and it also includes secure file transfer. If you need a remote desktop tool that can handle daily remote work or constant switching between devices, AnyViewer is a great pick. For a more advanced option, there's No Machine. It's free and powerful, offering fast connections, media streaming, and more customization. It's a good choice for those who need more than basic remote access, especially if you also work with Linux systems or need a high-performance setup. And if you prefer open-source software, TightVNC is worth considering. It requires a bit more configuration compared to the others, but it's flexible, lightweight, and reliable, especially for technical users or those who want full control over their remote environment. Choosing the right free remote desktop tool depends on what you need. Fast and simple? Go with Chrome Remote Desktop. Need performance and cross-platform support? Try AnyDesk. Want something with unattended access and extra features without paying? AnyViewer is your best bet. If this video helped you decide which remote desktop software to use, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.